$100. I got see food in your
No, you left some. You left some.
Claro, apa din natin.
How much you got? You left them, you have to easy that they are respect.
Back to see them near walk now.
No, you have to eat them.
Back to see them walk.
I hold my money there, I hold my property.
$1,000 na yung ako man.
Ako 1,000.
$1,000 yung ako.
Yeah, man, you can eat it. I'll come to see what.
Why man, put mo pa nino. Ang bakla, wala put mo pa ni man. May blood clot. Kaya na mo niya wa. Titri eh. Tumo.
Hindi pa eh.
Kita pa ba? Bakla, kita pa ba? 6
that. That's $600.
600.
At 50, 100.
Bakla. 7